Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we have some more drone content for you. I'm so excited because last year when I was reviewing the Mavic Air, we were still in the middle of the pandemic. No, actually it was the start. It was basically at the beginning of when the whole world shut down. And since then, I have flown that drone quite a bit actually, and it has been one of my favorite drones. And now they have an update to that drone. This is the Mavic Air, no, just Air 2S. Seems as though they're dropping the Mavic, but I'm incredibly excited about this one because this is basically a huge update to that. This now has a 1-inch sensor. So I'm sure many of you drone pilots are familiar with the Mavic 2 Pro, which also has a 1-inch sensor and shoots 4K. This little guy actually has a 1-inch sensor as well, but shoots 5.4K. Ooh, look at this! Accessories. And this is the Fly More combo, which does come with batteries and a charger and the controller. It's in our accessories box. Let's take a little look-see. What is this? Oh, ND filters! I love that this comes with ND filters already. This is cool. And it comes in this nice little case. Look at that. Extra little joysticks, extra adapters, USB-C cable. Let's get the batteries charged, propellers on, firmware update. I like that each of these bags is labeled, so it shows you where the props will go. I really love this new Master Shots feature. This is kind of their next evolution of quick shots, which you basically press a button and the drone will automatically fly and get you some really cool shots. This one's a little different because it'll do 10 different shots all in one sequence, and then it will edit those together to create a short cinematic video after. I like this because a lot of times when I'm out flying, I might not have a lot of time, so if I can just quickly send the drone up, choose the subject, it'll automatically shoot 10 different shots for me. I did trim these clips slightly just for the sake of this video, but the final edit is a little bit longer.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing?
Okay, so there's dolphins. I'm filming dolphins. They're eating and playing and doing dolphin things.
So I just brought my drone back. Jen and I are out flying right now. She's also doing a video, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out hers. And I was trying to get some cool surfer action, but the waves are very tiny, so trying to get anybody doing anything was kind of impossible. But so far, I have been loving this drone. I feel like every time that Jen and I have been trying to go out and record with it, it's been cloudy or it's been rainy, so I'm definitely looking forward to testing this out more. Having this 1-inch sensor has also been amazing. I'm so used to flying the Pro version that does have the 1-inch sensor, and now having that again, you can definitely tell with low light situations that the image is so much clearer. Being able to quickly swap out those ND filters was amazing when earlier it was really bright outside. And overall, honestly, having an upgraded obstacle avoidance is really amazing, not only for new drone pilots, but even for experienced pilots as well, to be able to just fly through with confidence, because I've been flying a lot of FPV recently, so kind of going back to the cinematic style drone flying is very, very different. Anyway, I will put a link in the description if you guys want to check out more info about the DJI Air 2S. I'm very excited about this, and I love all of the things that DJI has been coming out with recently, so I definitely look forward to seeing what you guys think of this. Stay tuned for more drone footage in all of my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!